welcome to I Want Paella channel. I'm Jay, and today we're cooking the black paella. The ingredients for the black paella are paella rice, onion and garlic, squid, and squid ink, 250 milliliters of white wine, and fish stock. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take a glass, pour 250 ml of white wine and dissolve the squid ink into the wine. Okay, we're gonna dissolve it because we're gonna use it later for the recipe. Okay, so let's start with this black paella. First, let's add our squid. Let's add our onion and garlic. Let's reduce it for a bit at low power. iWantPaella.eu, where not only we have a paella blog, but we also sell paella pans, paella burners, spices, beer, wine, and much more. So don't miss out and come visit us at iWantPaella.eu. Let's add half a teaspoon of paprika. Let's mix it up a bit. Let's add our rice, 300 grams, because we're making 3 portions. Okay, let's mix our rice in. Let's give it a bit of a shake. Now, we're gonna stir it before you use it. We're gonna add our 250 milliliters of wine with 3 bags of squid ink. So let's pour it slowly. Okay, but that's not gonna be enough to cook all the rice, so we're gonna add around 700 milliliters of fish stock. Okay. Okay, something like that. By the way, if you like this video and other videos like this, please like, subscribe and share with all your friends. Okay, that really helps. So let's wait for the broth and the squid ink with the white wine to start boiling. In the meantime, let's add some salt. seems to be boiling, so we're gonna reduce the paella batter down to 50%. Something like that. Let's give it another shake. Alright. Let's try the rice for the first time with a clean spoon. Okay, that rice is around 50%. I'm gonna add a bit more of salt. Remember that when you try the rice, it's a great opportunity to check your salt. So we're gonna leave it for a while and then we'll try again. Let's try the rice for the second time with a clean spoon in a different place. Okay, that rice is around 70%, so we're gonna leave it for a bit more, but we're gonna reduce the paella burner power down to 30%. Something like that. Let's try the rice for the third time with a clean spoon in a different place. Down here, for instance. This is looking very good, guys. Okay, that rice is around 90% now. I'm gonna turn the paella burner off and we're gonna take it to our kitchen counter. Okay guys, so we have the black paella. I'm gonna serve it on our plate now so you can see what it would look like if you were about to eat it. Okay guys, let's serve this black paella. Looks nice. Look at that. There you have it, a proper portion of black paella. If you like this and other recipes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. This is Jay signing off. Thank you very much. See you soon.